was in the market for some new makeup brushes because, first of all, it's been quite a while since I added to my brush stash. Secondly, two of my brushes had breathed their last. My existing foundation brush, the flat top Sigma Flat Kabuki F80, had started shedding all over my face, and believe me, when you have foundation on, that is remarkably an unpleasant experience. As you can see, that is the situation at the moment. Yeah, hair sticking out there, you can see, and a lot of them are quite alright. I know I haven't cleaned these. Yeah, who can be asked? I'm dumping these brushes, people. Why would I clean something that I'm dumping? I am also disposing of the precision round brush because it fell from my hand and it became dented horribly. That isn't supposed to happen to brushes, right? I was quite shocked when it became this dented, and that meant that the concealer wasn't blending out properly anymore. Now, I do have backup brushes, flat top brushes, but I wanted something to replace those backups, yeah? So what am I doing? Giving them to a friend of mine who does sculpture. Apparently he needs brushes to dust off things, and it doesn't matter if they are shedding. Well done. But I would still have waited it out if not for one of the holiday launches which blew me away. It is the Zoeva Share Your Radiance collection. Yeah, nice hat box there. This is a brush vault containing 12 makeup brushes, not even one of which is a spoolie. Everything for the face and eyes right there, and it is packaged beautifully. Yeah, look at that. Like an advent calendar, a 12-day advent calendar, and I'm going to unbox it as such. And once this is done, I'm going to use these for travel if anybody ever travels after this pandemic, and then use this to store all my makeup brushes upright. That way I can close the brushes like this, because otherwise what happens is you leave all the brushes out here and then they gather dust. Now, this set retails for £78. I actually got it for 55 because I had a discount code on Cult Beauty. It will be back in stock very shortly on Cult Beauty if it is not already. It is in stock in a lot of other places. Where to buy, I will link in the description box below. Affiliate link at no extra cost to you. Earns me 1% commission, which is not, unfortunately, enough for a holiday home in Mallorca. Possibly a cleanser at the end of the year. Now, the thing is, this set, if you buy these brushes individually, they come up to £134.50. We'll see that in a second. Now, brush one. Oopsie. Let's pull that out. And that is the one that I was looking for in the set. Oh, beautifully done. Yeah, reminds me of the Sigma. Slightly more flexible. Definitely softer. This is definitely softer than the Sigma. Flexibility, I think they're more or less the same. Hang on, I've got lip swatches there. Yeah, Zoeva slightly more flexible than the Sigma, but it's also much softer. Now, this is 104 buffer brush, and it retails at £17 if anybody is doing a price breakdown alongside me. £17, people. Let's put that back in. Nice. This is ideal if you're traveling and you don't want your brushes getting all scuffed and squishy and squashy in your suitcase or your makeup bag. And the best part is that these things have magnetic closure. Let me put that back and get day 2 out, or box 2. This is actually a brush vault, not an advent calendar, but I am considering it an advent calendar. Day 2 contains the Powder Fusion Brush 134, and that retails, hang on, 134 at £11, people. Yeah. I think this is a highlighter brush, sorry. It also, I suppose, softens out any, globs of powder all over the place. Now, everything is red and gold, Gryffindor. But yeah, you lot know that I'm a Slytherin supporter, but I love the colors. Yeah, red and gold, I love the colors. Just because I believe that Slytherin needs rehabilitation doesn't mean that I don't like the colors. Now, the third one is 228 Lux Crease Brush, right? This one is for the crease, and that retails at £10. So this is not at all scratchy, thankfully, and soft enough, and thankfully not too huge to get into my crease. I have deep set eyes, and not all crease brushes work for me. Let's find out where number 4 is. Here it is. 4. That contains the brush that I wanted to replace, the other brush. Concealer Buffer Brush 142. Let's just compare that to the Sigma Precision Round Brush. Yeah, the Zoeva is taller, softer, more flexible, but I feel that the Sigma was more rigid though, too rigid. Yeah, this one is softer. I think this will be more airbrushed than Sigma. And this retails at £10. 5 is next. And this is, yes, the brush that I love, the kind of brush that I love. Luxe Crease Brush. Yeah, very, very ideal for those with deep set eyes. Gets into all those little nooks and crannies. Now this one retails at Petit Crease, £10, 231. Yeah, this brush will get a lot of love from me. What I do with this kind of brush is I apply a transition color from the crease upwards, and then apply a multi-cream eyeshadow with either a flat shader brush or my fingers, and then walk out. Number 6 next, and that is the Luxe Eye Blender Brush, 225 is the number, which retails at £10. Now this is a very soft blending brush, and I think it will give you very delicate blending results. So in case you're not using multi-cream eyeshadow, or in case you want to soften the edges of said multi-cream eyeshadow, this would be nice. Yeah, I'm going to try that out in my very next makeup look. 7 is next, and that is 1110 Face Shape Brush. Oh, very soft. This would actually be good, for blending out trickier places like, around your nostrils and so on. It would also be good, I feel, for contouring. I did receive a Zoeva brush in last year's Selfridges beauty collection for her, but I can't for the life of me remember what happened to it. Number 8 is next, and this is that flat brush which I use for eyeshadow, including multi-creams. This is the Luxe Smoky Shader, number 234, retailing at £10. Yeah, I'm going to try this on a couple of pressed multi-creams that I bought recently in my very next filming session. So let's put number 8 out of the way and look for number 9. Yeah, this one is 9. Yeah, not very exciting. Angled brow brush. One thing I like is that this is very, very, very short. Minuscule, I would say. Because, I do have angled brow brushes which are kind of long. And, they sort of get the brow color all over the place. This one would. Yeah, how much does it cost, this one? £9. Number 10 is next, and that is the Wing Liner brush. Again, not very exciting. Yeah, this is a slightly longer angled brush. This is 317 Wing Liner brush, and that retails at £9. The Luxe Pencil Brush, 230, the cost is. I like the sort of thing for smudging my pencil liner, or for smudging dark eyeshadow, or for inner corner work. And this one retails at £10. Number 12, possibly, I wasn't looking to replace this, but I'm very pleased with it. This is 106 Powder Brush, £15. Big brush head. Yeah, very soft. Would be great for blush, all over face powder, setting powder. Yeah, powder products. And it feels very, very, very soft. I can't wait to use this with the blush or bronzer. And as I said, that retails at £15. Now, price calculation. Buffer brush 17, powder brush £15, face shape 13.50, powder fusion 11, concealer buffer 10, eye blender 10, crease 10, pencil 10, petit crease 10, smoky shader 10, wing liner 9, brow liner 9, adding up to £134.50. You pay £78 if you use that 15% discount code you got from Cult Beauty. then you get it for even less. I highly recommend doing that. It is supposed to come back in stock. If it hasn't already, stay tuned for the, sign up for notifications. They do have that, We'll email you when it's back in stock. Yes, give them your email address and they'll send you an email once it's back in stock. I think that this is one of the most popular holiday collections of 2020 with good reasons. It is also one of the best single brand sets of curations that we've seen this year, because the value is incredibly good. So if you're in the market for makeup brushes, or if you want to have a nice gift for around 60 quidish for a makeup lover, this is a great set to give. Zoeva Share Your Radiance collection comes in a nice fat box. So what holiday gift sets have you bought already, or will you be buying? Do tell me that in the comments below. That's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please do the subscribe button. Please ring the notifications bell. I'll speak to you soon.